Should be in the dog Olympics. If he was in the dog Olympics for fence jumping, he'd totally win. You know what you think?
Jump, buddy, jump!
You jump high, buddy. Jump! Jump! Come on, buddy! Whee! He's like, let's do that again. Whee! I'm gonna send this video to your mom. Whee! Nicholas, get over there.